How's it going, everyone? My name is Frank Ruiz, your San Antonio real estate agent, and today we're going to be at the Crescent Hills community off of Old Pearsall Road. Now that's located on the southwest side of San Antonio in between Highway 1604 and Loop 410. Now this is a new developing community that just hit the market a couple weeks ago, and the exclusive home builder here is going to be Lennar. Now what I want to highlight on is the affordability in this area. The prices of these homes are going to be starting in the 200,000s, which I think is a good price considering the market right now. Now, before we go any further and before we take a look at this model home, if you're returning back to my channel, I want to welcome you back. And if you're here for the first time, I want to introduce myself. My name is Frank Ruiz, a San Antonio real estate agent. And if you're looking to purchase a home, or if you're relocating from another city or state, or if you're simply looking to list your home in this market, I'm here to help you any way I can. I'm here to be the best resource I can for you. So if you're new to the channel, feel free to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell, as I'll be posting new videos weekly highlighting different communities in the San Antonio area. Now let's go ahead and check out this model home. Today we're going to be looking at the Nettleton model by Lennar. This model is 1,667 square feet and features 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. This floor plan has an open space layout, so the living room, dining room, and kitchen flow into each other, which is a great feature for maximizing your interior space. This community is conveniently located near several parks, Traders Village Flea Market, and is just minutes away from Lackland Air Force Base. If you like this home or would like to see any other homes this community has to offer, feel free to contact me. My information will be in the description below, and I hope you enjoy this tour.